If you're looking at Lopesan Costa Bavaro and trying to figure out whether the economy junior suite makes sense for your trip, this is the video. I'm walking you through the whole room, start to finish, so you know exactly what to expect when you check in. Let's take a look around. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. So starting in the bathroom, and honestly, this is one of the nicer bathrooms I've seen at this price point. You've got a large walk-in glass shower with a rain shower head, textured tile walls, and a really clean spa-like feel to it. The vanity is wide, well lit with a backlit mirror, and you've got your magnifying mirror right there too, which is a detail that a lot of resorts skip. Toiletries are all set out on the counter, your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, quality products, not just generic bottles, robes, slippers, bath towels, all taken care of. And one thing I appreciate, the shower has the large mounted bottles on the wall, so you don't need to worry about packing your shampoo and conditioner. For an economy category room, this bathroom does deliver. Moving into the closet, you've got your hanging space, shelving, and the iron and ironing board. There's the robe I mentioned earlier, straightforward and functional. If you're here for a week, you've got plenty of room to unpack. Now onto the main room, and this is where the design really comes through. The color palette is this really nice coastal feel, soft blues and greens, warm wood tones, woven pendants near the beds. It has a cohesive, intentional look that you don't always get in an economy category. Just above the minibar, you've got your coffee station and, of course, the minibar. And I want to point this out because it's a nice touch. They've got a Punta Cana brewed beer stocked in here. It's a little local detail that I always appreciate. The safe is right next to the minibar, which is a convenient placement. There's a small seating area with 2 chairs right here that leads out to the balcony, and the floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors make the transition feel really open. The balcony has your table and chairs and a view over the resort or the resort's tropical garden views. It's definitely not an ocean view at this category, but there will be street or garden views. You've also got great airflow, nice light, and it's a comfortable outdoor space. Great place to have your morning coffee. Now back in the main room, you've also got a large flat screen smart TV framed in wood on the wall opposite the beds, floor to ceiling sliding glass doors that I already mentioned with lots of natural light that leads straight to the balcony. At 463 square feet for just the room, this is a generous amount of space, especially for families. And that's the full economy junior suite at Lopesan Costa Bavaro, a solid value starting at $315 a night in Punta Cana. If you're also looking at other options along Bavaro Beach, check out my Dreams Royal Beach content linked right here, and keep a lookout for my Lopesan full resort tour coming soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.